Hey guys, it's Kanae from Zipora Scents, and today I'm going to show you how I make some of my labels. So today I'm doing a strawberry bomb wax melt label. So I'm looking for a color that I really like on a Twitter page called The Color Bot. They have all types of colors. Like this is my go-to page when I try to find stuff like that. So I'm going to save it to my desktop and name it Strawberry Bomb, just so I can find it easier. I go to template.com and access my templates, and I'm just going to upload the color that we got from the color bot. And we're just going to customize one that I already have for a candle that I have, but we're just going to customize the name, the description of it, like the scents that I use, and put the right ounces on there. Once I'm done customizing, we're going to just download it into a PDF. And I have a Mac, so I'm gonna just screenshot it, crop it, and save it to my folder and save it to my photos. I'm then gonna go to Avery.com, and as you see, I have many projects, but I'm going to go to my old version of Strawberry Bomb and replace the image. After we get it all sized up how you want to, we're gonna preview and print it yourself, get the PDF to print, save the file, and after that, I have the paper already at home that I printed on. So once I have that, I just print it, and that's it.